Hey guys, we received this car seat cushion with massage function. It's a back and neck two-piece set, lumbar and neck support pillow. So let's just open this. It's a memory foam design and it's for like your long drives or for your car seats. So let me just open and show it to you. So there are total two pieces. One is for the lumbar support that will go on your seat, and one is for the head support. So this one. So this will go in the back of your head. So the feel is good. It's a really nice memory foam here, as you can see. It's a comfortable thing, and there's a hook for the headrest that you can put in. And inside is this vibration motor and the memory foam cushion. So you can also wash this memory cushion like if you want from just taking it out or just clean it with the soap and water and then just lock it on your car seat headrest. Now this one is for the lumbar support again, like it's a really nice with a zipper thing, and there is this battery or the vibrator, and then these are the buttons. So long press, this will start the machine, then short press, change the function. So this is this cable that goes one USB cable in your car, and the other two USB-C goes into this lumbar massager and the headrest. So basically, it's a nice model, and I will just show it to you. So this is very helpful, like when you're going on a long drive and you need just rest on your neck and head. That is a really very helpful thing. And then also with the vibrator and the massager, so that becomes really good. So long press and you can see it start vibrating. So long press here will start this. So also there is this, the red button, the green, and then blue. So I think it's a temperature that you can control. So all the different functions comes up with this short press and then the thing. So you can feel the vibration and it's good for thing for the both head and the lumbar. So I put it in my car seat and you can see it here in the headrest. It goes really well. And then from the lumbar also you can just put so it clear up the stuff in the corner so it fits well. And then when I sit on this, I feel really a cushion on the top. So during filming, I cannot show that because it goes towards in my back. But yeah, the feeling is good. The memory foam is comfortable. Vibrators are working, and it's good, like soothing, the comfortable feel. Overall, my impression is good for this massager and the lumbar support. You can see it here that's connected with my car stuff, and then also like the vibration thing. So a nice, I will say, a car seat cushion with massage function for both back and the neck.